So in the last turn, we saw how we can prepare alcohols from Grignard reagent in the general methods of preparation. Now we will see preparation of 1 degree alcohols, preparation of 1 degree alcohols from Grignard reagent. Preparation of 1 degree alcohol from Grignard reagent. So when we have to prepare 1 degree alcohol from Grignard reagent, we have to take the starting material as formaldehyde. This is our formaldehyde. Okay, this is our formaldehyde molecule. So because oxygen is electronegative, it will attract the shared pair of electrons. 2 electrons would be accommodated and a negative center will be developed, and the carbon atom will have amount of positive charge. So when we treat it with Grignard reagent, that is CH3 MgBr, this is our Grignard reagent called methyl magnesium bromide. Okay, this MgBr has a slight positive charge and this methyl group has slight negative charge. So this methyl group will attack this carbon atom and this MgBr group will attack this oxygen atom. Okay, so our product would be, this is our carbon atom formaldehyde molecule containing 2 hydrogen atoms. So this is this CH3 got attached with this CH3, and here it will be OMgBr. Now finally we have to hydrolyze it, acid hydrolysis, H2O in the presence of H plus ion. This process called acid hydrolysis. So when it is acid hydrolyzed, this water is dissociated in H plus and OH minus ion. So this H plus ion will attack this negative, this is positive center, this is negative center. So this H plus ion will attack this oxygen atom and this OH will attack this MgBr, and a cleavage of bond will take place from here. So this H plus ion will be arranged over here and this OH minus will be arranged over here. So the bond will be cleaved from here. So our product will be carbon, double bond, hydrogen, and this CH3 group, and here it will be OH. Fine. And our next product will be MgOHBr. So this is our primary alcohol. We have to prepare our primary alcohol, and this is hydroxy magnesium bromide. This is hydroxy magnesium bromide. So this was how we can prepare primary alcohol from Grignard reagent. This was our formaldehyde. In the last segment we saw that if we have to make primary alcohol from Grignard reagent, we would take the starting material as formaldehyde. If we have to make secondary alcohol, we will take the starting material as acetaldehyde. And if we have to make tertiary alcohol, then we will take the starting material as acetone or propanone. So this is our formaldehyde molecule. Being oxygen being more electronegative as compared to carbon atom, will take the shared pair of pi electrons towards itself, because of which 2 electrons would be accommodated over oxygen and a negative center will be developed, and the same amount of positive center would be developed at carbon atom. So when we treat this formaldehyde molecule with methyl magnesium bromide, So this MgBr part has slight positive charge and this alkyl group CH3 group has slight negative charge. So this positive charge will attack the negative center oxygen and this CH3 being a negative part will attack this positively charged carbon atom and the compound will be formed as carbon hydrogen hydrogen. This CH3, the same part over here, this CH3 got attached with this carbon atom and this OMgBr is formed because this MgBr will attack this oxygen atom. Now when this is hydrolyzed in the presence of H plus ion, this process is called acid hydrolysis because H plus ion is present in excess. So this H plus ion will attack the negative center oxygen and this OH will attack the positive center MgBr, leading to the formation of and a cleavage will take place from here. So this will form CH2, CH3 and here OH, alcohol is formed, primary alcohol is formed and this will be MgOHBr, hydroxy magnesium bromide. So this was the process how we can prepare primary alcohol from Grignard reagent. Okay. Now let us move forward how we can prepare secondary alcohol from Grignard reagent. How we can prepare secondary alcohol from Grignard reagent. This would be preparation of secondary alcohol from Grignard reagent or GR in short we can write. So again, now we have to take the starting material as acetaldehyde. This is our acetaldehyde molecule, also called ethanol. Oxygen being more electronegative will attract the shared pair of pi electrons. As a result, 2 electrons would be accommodated and a carbon atom will be formed. And the same equal number of positive center would be developed at carbon atom. And it is treated with CH3 MgBr, same Grignard reagent called methyl magnesium bromide. So this MgBr has slight positive charge and this CH3 has slight negative charge. So this CH3 will attack this positive center carbon and this MgBr will attack the negative center oxygen. So our next product would be this CH3 will be bonded to this carbon atom. So this will be carbon, single bond oxygen, CH3 and this CH3 got attached with this carbon atom and here it would be OMgBr. Okay. So now this process is acid hydrolyzed. It is hydrolyzed in the presence of H plus ion, also called process of acid hydrolysis. So this water molecule would be dissociated in the form of H plus ion and OH minus ion. This MgBr part has slight positive charge and this oxygen will have negative charge. So this H plus would approach this oxygen atom and this OH minus would approach MgBr group and a cleavage of bond will take place between the two. A cleavage of bond will take place here. So we will have, so this H plus ion would be arranged over oxygen and this OH would be arranged over MgBr part. So our product would be, a cleavage will take place over here. So our product will be CH, CH3 and this is OH, alcohol, and the next part is MgOHBr. So since the OH group is attached to this carbon atom, which is further linked to two carbon atoms, so it is an secondary alcohol, and this is called hydroxy magnesium bromide. Hydroxy magnesium bromide. So this was the process of preparation of secondary alcohol from Grignard reagent. We saw preparation of primary alcohol from Grignard reagent. This was the case of when we can prepare secondary alcohol from Grignard reagent, taking starting material as acetaldehyde and treating with Grignard reagent. So let us once again see how secondary alcohols can be formed from Grignard reagent. So this is our acetaldehyde molecule, aldehyde molecule. So oxygen being more electronegative will attract this pi electron over towards itself. Just because of this two electron, this bond will be cleaved, this bond would be cleaved, pi bond would be cleaved, and the two electrons which are generated would be arranged over here, and a carbon ion is formed, and an equal number of positive charge would be developed over oxygen. Now this is our Grignard reagent CH3MgBr called methyl magnesium bromide. MgBr has slight positive charge, CH3 has partial negative charge. So this negative charge would attract this positive charge carbon atom, and this positively charged MgBr will attack the negatively charged oxygen atom, leading to the formation of an intermediate complex, this CH3, our original configuration, and this CH3 got attached with this carbon atom, and this MgBr arranged with this oxygen atom. So now we will hydrolyze this in the presence of H plus ion. This process is called acid hydrolysis. So our water molecule would be dissociated in H plus and OH minus ions. This H plus ion will attack this negatively charged oxygen atom, and this OH minus ion will attack this positively charged MgBr atom, and the cleavage will take place over here. So this will form CH3, and this will be OH, our alcoholic part, and this will be MgOHBr. It is called hydroxy magnesium bromide. So this is our secondary alcohol which we have to prepare from Grignard reagent, and took the starting material as acetaldehyde. Okay? Okay, yeah. Now we have to see the preparation of tertiary alcohol from Grignard reagent. Preparation of tertiary alcohol from Grignard reagent. Preparation of tertiary alcohol from Grignard reagent, that is in short GR. So for preparing tertiary alcohol from Grignard reagent, we have to take the starting material as ketone, and that too acetone, CH3, and this CH3. This is our acetone, which is our starting material. This is acetone. And again, just because oxygen is highly electronegative compared to carbon atom, will attract this shared pair of electron of pi electron, because it will be cleaved. So the two electrons would be arranged over oxygen, and a carbon ion is formed, and a similar amount of positive charge would be arranged at this oxygen atom. So it is treated with CH3MgBr, which is our Grignard reagent, called methyl magnesium bromide. Methyl magnesium bromide. So when it is treated, so this MgBr has slight positive charge and this CH3 part has slight negative charge. So this CH3 part would attack the positively charged carbon atom, and this positively charged MgBr will attack the negatively charged oxygen atom. So our compound would be CH3, and here would be single bond. This CH3 got attached with this carbon atom, and this will be OMgBr. This would be OMgBr. Now, again, the final step is of acid hydrolysis. It is hydrolyzed in the presence of H plus ion. The process called acid hydrolysis. So, water would be dissociated in H plus ion and OH minus ions. So since this has a partial positive charge and this has negative charge, so this positively charged H plus ion would attack this oxygen atom, negatively charged oxygen atom, and this OH minus ion would attack the positively charged MgBr atom, and the cleavage of bond will take place from here. So this H plus ion would be arranged here and this OH would be arranged here. Now our final product would be CH3, and this will be OH, and this would be MgOH Br. This is our tertiary alcohol because the OH group is attached to this carbon atom, which is further linked to 3 carbon atoms. So this is our tertiary alcohol, and this was the entire process how we can prepare tertiary alcohol from Grignard reagent. This is our starting material, acetone. Oxygen being electronegative, it will attract the pi electrons. The pi bond would be cleaved, leading to the generation of 2 electrons, which would be arranged at oxygen atom. So a carbon ion would be formed, and an equal number of positive charge will be developed at carbon atom. So this is our Grignard reagent called methyl magnesium bromide. MgBr has slight positive charge and CH3 has slight negative charge. So this negatively charged CH3 would attack this positively charged carbon atom, and this MgBr parts, positively positive charge is MgBr, will attack the negatively charged oxygen atom. So our intermediate species would be formed. This CH3 will be attached to this carbon atom, and this MgBr would be attached to this oxygen atom, leading to the formation of this species, this compound. Then finally, this is acid hydrolyzed. So H plus ion and OH minus, which are generated from water, H plus would be attached over oxygen and OH would be arranged over MgBr group. So cleavage of bond will take place over here. So it will lead to the formation of CH3, OH. This is alcoholic part, tertiary alcohol, and this will be MgOH Br, and this is hydroxy magnesium bromide. Hydroxy magnesium bromide. Okay.
Okay sir.
हाँ. खत्म हो गया था क्या?
नहीं 13 सेकंड और है.
चल रहा है? चलिए. लेते आइएगा मेरे पास.
ठीक है.